Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Supreme Spirit. Chapter 15, Shloka 12. At light, which is residing in the sun and which illumines the whole world, and that which is in the moon and in the fire, know that light to be mine.
Chapter 15, Shloka 12. Yadadityagatam tejo jagadvasayate kilam yaschandramasi yachagno tattejo vidhi mamakam.
Chapter 15, Shloka 12. To show this very goal as the essence of all and the reality behind all these experiences, Krishna proceeds to give a short summary of the immanence in the following 4 verses. Science has made a lot of progress but has its own limitations. There is a point beyond which the intellect and its observation, its logic and conclusions, its reasoning and assertions come to an end. It becomes silent. Where science stops, there philosophy starts its pilgrimage towards the absolute satisfaction. Consciousness expressed through the sun manifests sunlight, and expressed through the moon is the moonlight, and expressed through the dry fuel is fire, and yet all of them are in reality nothing but the infinite itself in its varied manifestations. The manifestations are different because the equipments are different. Like the energy called electricity is one and the same, but expressed as light in the bulb, the heat in the furnace, the movement in the fan are indeed different manifestations because of the bulb. The furnace and the fan are dissimilar equipments. The infinite manifests itself in order to create the conducive environment in which alone the world can exist, and wherein, as the Lord, He can come to express Himself and play His game of plurality. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.